Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. I am your teacher, Ms. Zara, and it's your English lecture. Today is Wednesday, 11th March 2026. Today we will start new chapter. The chapter is The Lucky Leaf. Now, class, open page number 18 of your book. Write classwork and short date 11 March 2026. The chapter is The Lucky Leaf. What is the name of the chapter? The Lucky Leaf. Rahila is crying. Rahila is crying. She has lost her golden bangle. Don't cry, Rahila says Mom. Go and play. Rahila goes outside. She sits under the wood apple tree. It is next to the wall. Rahila counts the leaves on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. One leaf is falling from the tree. The wind blows. It carries the leaf up into the air. The leaf is now in front of her. Do reading of this page and underline the verb and circle the noun. Now, first of all, I will tell you what is noun. Noun is a name of person, place, or a thing. And verb is a word which shows an action. Now circle the noun and underline the verb and do reading of this page and send me the feedback. Thank you, class. Allah Hafiz.